What is going on with these extreme high shipping rates on Aliexpress? Is it the end of Shopify dropshipping? What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the extremely high shipping rates of Aliexpress, how it affects Shopify dropshipping, and my suggested solution for that major problem. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you want to be a part of the best dropshipping community in the world, make sure to text me at this number over here and I will personally add you to the group. So with that being said, let's start with a video. So some of you are already running Shopify stores and some of you want to get in Shopify dropshipping, because right now we have an amazing opportunity when people are sitting at home scrolling all day long on their mobile feed, and we can actually sell them products that are interested in, that can help them go through this time in the quarantine. But a major problem that we can see in the last few weeks, Aliexpress consistently increasing their shipping rates. I'm talking about e-packet, I'm talking about Aliexpress standard shipping, which are the main ways we have to be able to deliver our products within a month or less. Now, the shipping rates did not go up by a few bucks. It's actually costs right now more than the product itself, which led to prices on products increased by twice, triple, 5 times, and even 10 times more. Now, as a Shopify dropshipper, there is no way that you will be able to dropship these products with the current price, running Facebook ads, and still remain profitable. Now, the main reason why they increase the shipping rates is quite simple. The effect of the pandemic is striking now. E-packet and all specialized shipping methods are highly dependent on commercial flights, planes that people use to travel around the world. And as you already know, right now most of the countries closed their borders and all airports, and because of that, shipping rates by air jumped through the roof. Now, not only prices went up, the shipping times went from 15 to 20 days to the United States, up to 30 to 60 days shipping. That is just really bad. On top of that, Aliexpress increased their buyer protection time from 60 days to 90 days. Now, before we talk about solutions, let's talk about exactly how that affects directly Shopify dropshipping. So the first thing that you have to be worried about is getting banned by payment processor. With everything that is going on right now, you will have to increase your shipping times, which can make a lot of your customers to be angry because shipping from China is already slow. But now it's going to be even slower, and that directly is going to increase the amount of chargebacks and eventually a permanent ban from your payment processor. Now, the next thing that you have to be worried about is getting banned by Facebook. Just in the last year, you can see a huge increase of Facebook flagging and disabling a lot of accounts, people getting their business managers shut down, and even their personal Facebook account getting disabled. Trust me, you don't want Facebook disabling your personal account. It happened to me and I tried so many things to get my account back. I think I sent over 50 or 100 emails to Facebook support and nobody replied. And for me, the only way to run Facebook ads these days is just using other people's accounts. It is like they're just waiting for you to do some kind of even small mistake, so they will have the reason to ban you from their platform. Now, with increased shipping times because of the pandemic, you are exposing yourself for a low customer feedback rate, and that is by far one of the easiest ways to get banned on Facebook. Now, about the increase in prices, it is going to make you price your products not in a competitive enough price, and by that, tanking your conversion rates in your Shopify store. Pricing your product correctly is one of the main factors for increasing and decreasing your conversion rate. If you can see a huge jump between your cost per view content and cost per add to cart, pricing your products too high might be the reason why people clicking into your website but not buying. Just before we move on to some of the solutions that I have, I will appreciate if you can punch that like button for me. Punch it! So what can we do? The first and most obvious thing that you can do, it is you want to make sure that you let your customers know that they should expect some delays in shipping. So the way to do that is, after your client make a purchase, you will send automatic email telling them about the delays, or you can make just an announcement bar in your website. All paid and free teams have that, and just let them know that they should expect some delays with their order. The second thing that you can do is to have an extreme, and I'm talking about extremely good customer service. Most of the time, people open disputes and chargebacks. It is when a customer sends you an email or a message and you don't reply quickly enough, then they just go straight away to your payment processors. The last thing that you want to have is that customers going straight to the payment processors. You want to make sure that you do everything in your power to try to sort the things out between you and them, and not them trying to sort out things with you through the payment processors after opening a chargeback or a dispute. You can also create a Facebook post on your Facebook page just as a heads up, and of course being always on top with your emails and Facebook messages. Now the most major problem is high shipping rates. What can we do? In the case that you already running a Shopify store, I would highly recommend you to get yourself a dropshipping agent. I reached out to my dropshipping agent to find some solutions for myself and for my students, and he offered me a solution that most of active dropshippers are using right now. So the solution is quite simple. We use shipping by sea. Because the shipping by air is already slower right now, it actually takes around the same time for the products to arrive to the US. If you're shipping by air, it's going to be anywhere between 15 to 25 days, and shipping by sea is going to be around 18 to 30 days. But the price is going to be completely different. I asked him about a product for myself, and shipping by air is going to be highly expensive like Aliexpress, which the price was around $40, and shipping by sea is going to be only $23. Usually we are not going to use this method, shipping by sea, but if you do sell to the United States and the shipping is going to be around a month, so you can actually ship the products by sea and having shipping around 18 to 30 days. This is by far one of the best and only ways that I found to deal with the high shipping rates on Aliexpress. As I mentioned before, until airlines are not going to get back to work as normal, you are going to suffer from increased shipping price all the time. Now, in case that you still don't have a Shopify store running, I will try to look better on Aliexpress for suppliers that still haven't increased their shipping price that much, which is extremely hard, or going for product that ships from the US. Another thing that you can do is that you can reach out to a dropshipping agent to request a price for your product and an estimated delivery time, and if that fits your needs, start just using Aliexpress just for the beginning, just to get the ball rolling. But make sure that you calculate your target CPP, which is your target cost per purchase, using your dropshipping agent price and not Aliexpress price. And when you get into a 10-20 orders per day, then quickly switch to a dropshipping agent. So these are my best advices that I can give you to deal with the current situation, and I actually was thinking about to bring in my dropshipping agent Alex again to the channel and sharing more light on the subject. If you do want Alex coming back to the channel and doing another video like I did with him before, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below. Don't let that discourage you or stopping from working on your online business. Remember, if you're going to pass this, you will become stronger and wiser, and in this business only the strong survive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you punch that like button, guys, and of course don't forget to join to the family and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you want to be a part of the best dropshipping community in the world, text me at this number over here and I will personally add you to our WhatsApp group. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay home, stay safe, and until next time, my friends, peace.